Pack like a pro, travel like a boss. Rockland Luggage takes you there in style. Say goodbye to flimsy suitcases and boring baggage that blends into the crowd. The Rockland Fashion Softside upright luggage set is your passport to stress-free travel, built to handle every adventure with ease. Made from heavy-duty polyester with PVC backing, this tough yet lightweight luggage set is designed for smooth travel without extra baggage fees. With a spacious expandable carry-on upright and a sleek flight tote, you get maximum packing space without the bulk. Plus, the bold turquoise color stands out at baggage claim, so you can spot your bag instantly and hit the road faster. Unlike cheap, unreliable luggage that gives up mid-trip, Rockland is built for the long haul. The easy roll inline skate wheels glide effortlessly across terminals, sidewalks, and hotel floors, making it easier than ever to maneuver through crowded airports. The push-button telescopic handle locks in place, preventing those frustrating wobbles, while the stability bars keep your bag from tipping over. Inside, the fully lined compartments, zippered pockets, and organizational slots keep your clothes, toiletries, and essentials neatly packed. No more suitcase explosions, just smooth, hassle-free packing with everything right where you need it. Why overpay for big-name luggage when Rockland gives you premium quality for a fraction of the cost? This set is lightweight yet incredibly durable, making it perfect for frequent travelers or weekend warriors. The expandable design lets you pack extra souvenirs, while the ergonomic padded top and side handles make lifting a breeze. The lock and key security feature keeps your belongings safe, giving you peace of mind on the go. With a balance of affordability, durability, and style, this luggage set outshines overpriced brands without draining your wallet. It's your smart travel upgrade without the luxury price tag. Time is money, and Rockland Luggage helps you save both. No more wasting time dealing with broken wheels, stubborn zippers, or overweight fees. The smooth rolling wheels and sturdy build keep you moving, while the flight tote offers quick access to travel essentials. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or a week-long adventure, this set maximizes space without adding unnecessary weight. Designed for effortless travel, it keeps you organized, prepared, and always one step ahead. With Rockland, you'll never have to worry about your luggage slowing you down again. So why settle for boring, unreliable luggage when you can travel in style, stress-free, and affordably? The Rockland Fashion Softside luggage set is tough enough for cross-country flights, stylish enough for city escapes, and spacious enough for all your travel must-haves. Whether you're a jet-setter, weekend traveler, or business pro, this set is your go-to for smooth, hassle-free trips. Lightweight, durable, affordable. It's time to level up your travel game, because life's too short for bad luggage.